Are you tired of stepping out of the shower with dry, itchy skin or dull hair? Here are the 5 best showerhead filters I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. AquaBliss Revitalizing Shower Filter in Chrome, priced at $36.99. What really caught my attention is its promise to rejuvenate your skin, hair, and nails from day 1. If you want to transform your shower experience into a spa-like retreat, this is worth a serious look. This filter tackles the harsh chemicals often found in your water, think chlorine, pesticides, and even pharmaceuticals. Here's why this matters for you specifically. By reducing these irritants, it combats itchy skin and dry hair, leading to a noticeable improvement in your overall skin health and comfort. The unique multi-stage filtration system includes calcium sulfite and activated carbon that neutralizes odors and helps restore your skin's natural pH levels while infusing beneficial minerals. Plus, with over 10,000 units sold in just a month, it's clear that many people are loving this product. Now, some people complained about the filter needing to be replaced fairly frequently. Here's the thing though, while that's true, the replacement cartridges are only about $0.09 a day. For that price, you can enjoy cleaner, healthier showers without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you struggle with skin issues or just want to pamper yourself a bit more during your showers. However, skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty filter that lasts longer between replacements. Overall, for the price and benefits, it's a solid investment. Now, if the AquaBliss filter's replacement issue bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for longevity and performance. Product number 2. AquaBliss Revitalizing Shower Filter in Brushed Nickel, also priced at $36.99. This sleek design caught my eye, and if you're looking for a stylish yet functional upgrade for your bathroom, this is definitely worth considering. Like its chrome counterpart, this filter starts its magic from day 1. It promises to reduce chlorine, pesticides, and dirt, which not only improves your hair and skin, but also helps in controlling scale buildup. The real kicker? Many users report a visible difference in their skin and hair condition thanks to its advanced filtration system that infuses minerals back into your water. And with 8,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that it's making waves. However, a few reviews noted that it can be a bit challenging to install if you're not familiar with shower fittings. But here's the thing, if you can change a light bulb, you can install this, and once it's in, the benefits are hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want a combination of style and effectiveness in your shower, but skip this one if you simply need a quick fix without the aesthetic upgrade. For the price, it's a fantastic find that delivers great results. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next product on my list takes a completely different approach to filtering. Product number 3. Aqua Home Group Luxury Filtered Showerhead Set. Let's talk about the Aqua Home Group Luxury Filtered Showerhead Set, priced at $49.95. This one caught my eye with its modern design and a whopping 20 plus 3-stage filtration system. If you want a luxurious shower experience while tackling hard water issues, this is a fantastic choice. This showerhead doesn't just filter water, it provides a powerful, high-output jet that makes every shower feel like a spa session. By removing chlorine and harmful substances, it addresses many of the problems that come with hard water, like dry skin and hair. The sleek chrome finish also ensures it fits beautifully into any bathroom decor. With over 5,000 units sold, it's clear many users are raving about their upgraded shower experience. However, some users mention that the installation can be a bit tricky for first-timers, but honestly, once you get past that initial hurdle, the payoff is well worth it. It's designed to last longer than many competitors, so you won't have to deal with frequent replacements. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one shower upgrade that covers both aesthetics and functionality. But skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer a simpler setup. For the price, you're getting a lot of features that enhance your shower experience. Now, if the Aqua Home Group's installation issue made you think twice, the next product is all about ease of use and quality. Product number 4. AquaBliss Shower Filter Replacement Cartridge. The AquaBliss High Output Shower Filter Replacement Cartridge priced at $42.99 for a pack of 3. If you already own an AquaBliss filter, this is a must-have. Honestly, you won't want to miss out on these replacements for maintaining that revitalizing shower experience. These cartridges fit all AquaBliss shower heads and are designed to reduce chlorine and other harmful chemicals while restoring your water's natural balance. The infusion of spa-grade minerals means you can enjoy a healthy shower while pampering your skin, hair, and nails. With 5,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many are taking advantage of this convenient option. Now, some consumers noted that these cartridges run out faster than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're committed to your shower health, regular replacements are just part of the deal. Plus, the ease of installation means you won't waste time replacing them. This is perfect for you if you prioritize maintaining healthy skin and hair. Skip this one if you prefer a filter that lasts longer between changes. For the investment, you're ensuring that every shower feels revitalizing. And if the frequent replacement concern is something you're not into, the final product on my list offers a different solution altogether. Product number 5, WeAqua Heavy Duty Shower Filter Family 2-Pack. We have the WeAqua Heavy Duty Shower Filter Family 2-Pack, priced at $36.99. This one stands out because it offers 2 filters in one package, which is great for families or for maintaining multiple bathrooms. If you want to tackle hard water issues effectively, this is worth a look. These filters promise a 99% removal rate for hard water, chlorine, fluoride, and other harmful substances. The durable construction ensures they last longer, with a 6-month filter life, so you won't be replacing them constantly. Plus, it only costs about 2 cents per shower, making it an economical choice for anyone concerned about their water quality. With 3,000 sold recently, it's gaining popularity for good reason. However, some users reported that the installation instructions weren't as clear as they hoped. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward and takes just a few minutes to set up. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your family's shower water. But skip this one if you prefer a single filter for a single bathroom. For 2 filters at this price, it's a great value. Now let's wrap up what we found today. In summary, we've explored 5 fantastic showerhead filters. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the AquaBliss High Output Revitalizing Shower Filter Chrome because of its effectiveness and affordability. However, I recommend avoiding the Aqua Home Group Luxury Filtered Showerhead set if you're not up for a slightly complex installation process. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.